Welcome to this video on principles of training. Our bodies can achieve amazing feats when they are trained and conditioned over a period of time. By correctly applying the following principles of training, you will prepare yourself for the upcoming W2K trail run. Let's start by looking at specificity. The principle of specificity states that you must do a specific kind of activity or exercise to build up specific parts of physical fitness. The training must be specific not only to your sport, but to your individual abilities, such as tolerance to training stress and your ability to recover. It is of utmost importance that the identified components of fitness, energy system or energy systems, and muscles are targeted as often as possible in your training program.
Trying something new, that's what it's about.
Ready?
Yeah.
It didn't look good, man. When I hear you talk about you trying new things, it's refreshing. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. When I play this back, you're not going to like it. What do you think that you're not good at?
Now, as you're going to see later on, there's nothing wrong with doing a bit of training that isn't in your sport. However, if LeBron James was to spend too much time practicing golf and not enough time practicing basketball, it's going to be to the detriment of his skill development in basketball. Progressive overload. In order to improve the effectiveness of the body systems, greater than normal demands must be placed on them. Muscles will become stronger if they are forced to work harder than they are used to working. This can be done by increasing the intensity, frequency, duration, or the number of repetitions. It is important that any overload or stress is increased progressively, so that the body has time to adapt to the extra stress being placed on it. If you increase the overload too quickly, you can cause injury or breakdown to the body tissues. Tedium. Adding tedium into your program is important. You are less likely to become psychologically or physically stale or bored, and less likely to stay on a plateau if you vary your training regime across the week. Change your methods of training, change your environment, change your mode of exercise. Ideally, however, your tedium will still address the energy systems and components of fitness and or muscles being targeted for what you're training for. Again, like I said earlier, you don't want to spend all of your time cross-training or applying tedium, but it is a good change-up from your normal routine. Reversibility. This principle says that if you discontinue training, you will lose fitness quickly. It only takes approximately 3 to 4 weeks for your body to get out of condition. If muscles are not used, they atrophy or waste away, as can be seen there in the picture. As muscles become weaker and smaller, they are more prone to injury and take longer to heal. Rest. Rest is critical in any training program, as it is the opportunity to adapt to the stresses that you've placed upon it through training. Without adequate rest, your body will not have the chance to take stock and make appropriate adaptations. Rest allows the body to replenish energy stores and repair damaged tissues. Exercise causes changes in the body such as muscle tissue breakdown and the depletion of energy stores, as well as fluid loss. Recovery time allows these stores to be replenished and allows tissues to repair. Applying these principles of training with the appropriate methods of training to target the components of fitness you've identified as important for the event that you're training for is crucial to success in any event. Thanks for watching another RBHSP with Mr. Dalton video.